We are looking at the trade for Thursday, April 23rd. Price is right at the 50, right where we like it at an open. Now let's look from yesterday. We do have this big spike low below a daily pop out, okay? And it is closed, meaning it's not just a spike. This is a closed low, so we're probably looking for a long today. But let's see what happens. So what I want to see is some kind of trap above and below this 50. All right, so price is going above the 50 as Asia opens. Let's draw out our range here, our initial range, and see what happens here. So this is already pushing up at the high of this volatility band. Here we go. There's the pullback we're looking for to make our longs valid. And okay, prime window is open. So now we are looking for any kind of green red cross high. I do see one here. It is a little early. So this is first leg. And this one is a little early. I could take it. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take that one. So we'll put in our position right here. 30 pips take profit, 15 pips stop loss within our prime trading window. Let's zoom out. This low from yesterday holds, okay, confirming for me that we are going north. This is the pullback. After it engaged with the 50, it did a pullback under the 50 of 12 pips roughly. So that's in our window of 10 to 25 pips, okay, looking good. And right at this daily pop out as well. So it went just below this daily pop out. So again, that's confirming for me that we are going north, okay? Price really does respect these pop outs. They're really important to mark on your charts. And if you want to know how to do that, consider joining our trade tribe. We learn how to trade this very simple way of trading. It's a 2.5 hour trading window, and we're trading structure, nothing too technical. Okay, let's drag our trade out, and we are already moving in the right direction. We're back inside that opening channel. Now we've already cleared it. It's going to come back and retest it. Absolutely beautiful. Excellent. Did exactly what we wanted it to. Let's speed this up and watch it play out. And bing, there we go. You are in profit. This is your perfect trade entry for Thursday, April 23rd, 2026. And if this looked easy, it gets easier. Okay, you do start seeing the nuances of how the market's leaning. You do see where the pressure is, especially here using TDI. It can be really fun. There are some nuances to it. Of course, I'm coming in with a little bit of wisdom, but I teach you guys everything that I've learned. There are short classes, full classes within the Trade Tribe HQ. We start everybody with this very simple 3x30 trade plan that teaches you how to collect 30 pips 3 days a week, compounding your account. We also teach you how to leverage a prop firm account so you don't have to use your own money to trade. It's a beautiful way to make an income. If you are curious at all or just want some time freedom and have a little bit of time in the evenings to spend just watching a chart, consider joining the Trade Tribe. I'd love to see you in there. All right, till tomorrow.